So we're going to take a look at the Remote Agent Proxy feature. So we're going to quick add a new monitor. We'll give it a quick name here. Something like maybe monitoring the firewall from the inside. So my firewall internal IP. We're going to ping that address every 1 minute. I'm going to put that in my computers group. And I'm going to choose Agent Proxy as the region, because that will then bounce us over to the runner tab where we can switch between regional runners or agent proxies. Now, when you choose agent proxy, you can then get a list of deployed agents that support this feature. Go ahead and put the IP address, the private IP address of your device into the check parameters and create the check. As simple as that. Now, it's going to fail initially because the very first check is performed by the UptimeSquirrel engine itself, which of course does not have access to your private network. So once that attempts to check and fails, it will bounce back to your typical sort of triage screen. You can go in there and see that it has failed. If you scroll down from here, you'll be able to look at the parameters of this monitor, and you can see clearly that it is being routed via a agent proxy, and this one has been routed via the RGD Windows server, which is running proxy version 2.1.11, and the recent results were failed. So what we can do is just wait for that agent to pick up the job and process it, refresh the screen, and we see that it has now succeeded. So if we scroll back down, we can see that now there's a successful ping that's come back from the agent itself. If we take a look at some of the other monitors that I've created, we have one here for the Shelly power meter, which is just a power metering device here in my network. Now this one is an advanced check, or semi-advanced check, so we're doing a string comparison. So on this one, we're expecting the string, we look at the parameters, we're expecting from this IP address, web address, the Shelly web admin string. If we don't get that, then it's a fail. And we are routing that via the agent proxy, and that is installed on the Mac M2 Ultra. And we can go back now to the view of that, and we can see that it's been succeeding. And we get a few other pieces of metadata that come back with the HTTP check. I can see the response time over 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, and of course 7 days. And yeah, that one's been running for a little less than 24 hours now. And it's simple as that. So very similar to a normal monitor. We're just routing that via a remote agent. Nice and easy.